Technology is all around us and is changing our world faster than ever. From the trains we ride to the machines that build our cities, technology helps us to move, build, and connect. Take trains, for example. Today, many trains are powered by electricity, making them faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Machines also help in factories, farms, and even hospitals. They do hard work quickly and safely, from building cars to planting crops and even performing surgeries. Every new machine is built with one goal: to make life easier, safer, and better for everyone. Technology is not just about machines, it is about what we can achieve together. As technology grows, so does our future, and it's full of exciting possibilities.